The main display is lined at its top and bottom with two bars. First, the status bar lines the top of the display. The information it displays may include the date, the time, and notifications of missed calls or voicemails. It also displays quick access icons to view voicemail messages and your recent calls list. Second, the soft keys line the bottom of the display. These keys change based on the state of your phone set. For example, while the phone is not on a call, the first key will initiate a new call as indicated by its label. On the other hand, when the phone is already on a live call, the first key is used to place the caller on hold. Paying attention to these dynamic keys is an important piece in understanding any available features. Phone views. The middle display view varies based on the state of the phone. Regardless of the current state of your phone, however, you may switch to any other available view simply by pressing the Home button. Pressing the Home button will not interrupt a live phone call. The primary views available are Lines, Home, and Active Call. First, the Lines view. The Lines view tends to be the most familiar because it's the phone's default display, meaning that it will be visible while your phone is idle. This view displays any lines built on your phone as well as any customized favorites. These favorite buttons are also known as speed dials and will be discussed later in the directory section of this presentation. The next view available is the Home view. The Home view displays quick access icons to features such as voicemail, directories, and Do Not Disturb. To use these features, simply tap on the icon. Many of these features are discussed in our Other Features section of the presentation. The final views available appear only when you are on one or more phone calls. If you are on one phone call, the Active Call view appears. If you are on more than one call, the Active Calls view appears. These views show information about the call in progress, including the phone number or extension, the line on which you are speaking, and how long you've been on the call. Notice that the soft keys that show while on a call differ than those that display when you are not on a phone call. If only one call is in progress, the screen will only show all of its information. On the other hand, if you are handling more than one phone call, the status and information for each of the calls will be stacked on each other on the display. When you are on several calls at once, distinguishing the status of a call in the Active Calls view is very important. The calls in this view indicate their status with a background color. Dark green indicates that a call is active, dark blue indicates that the call is incoming or held, bright green indicates the call is active and selected, bright blue indicates that the call is held or incoming and selected. In general, the brightest color on the screen is the one that is selected. When managing multiple calls, it's important to note that the soft keys pertain only to the currently selected call. For example, I am now talking to a caller while keeping the other on hold. If I wish to resume the call that is now held and put my current call on hold, I must first select the held call by tapping on it, then press the Resume soft key button. The soft keys change to show the features that are available for that selected call.